This video is sponsored by Alcid eHomes, whose mission it is to accelerate the advent of sustainable, healthy living systems around the world. Hi and welcome to Best in Tesla. So Tesla just held their AI Day and showed off some of their mind-blowing stuff. But the most important takeaway here is not just the mind-blowing stuff they showed off, because that was not for you and I. The most important thing was the event itself. AI Day was to recruit the brightest mind in the world who actually think that making a humanoid robot or the most powerful computer in the world sounds like the best challenge ever, and something they think can be done. So this event was a big move for Tesla, and I don't know if people really got that, because most analysts and reporters and so on seems to be laughing at the idea of the Tesla robot or their big computer. But what Tesla just did is something you would never see someone like Apple do, and that is probably why someone like Tesla will beat someone like Apple in the game of AI. And this has huge implications down the road. Let's check it out and let's dive right in. So Tesla just did something you will never see Apple do, for example, showing off what they're thinking of producing down the road. Apple is very secretive, and they don't want the world to know what they're working on until the big reveal, and they can get their big wow moment when they show it off to the world, the finished product. Like, we all know that Apple is working on something with an Apple car. We don't know what it is. Will they be producing their own self-driving car, or in partnership with maybe Hyundai? Or maybe Apple will only make the software part, making an AI that runs the car. We simply don't know. But this is also why Tesla and SpaceX are two of the companies that most engineers want to go work for, and not Apple. Because they look at Apple and think, do I want to help build the next iPhone or Mac? Or do I want to go work for Tesla and help solve full self-driving and work with real-world AI? Or go work for SpaceX and do my part in get humans to become a multi-planet species? If you have the brains to understand what Tesla revealed at AI Day, you would probably want to go work for SpaceX or Tesla and not so much Apple. Apple is probably working on many very exciting things behind the scenes, but we simply just don't know. But Tesla, on the other hand, is not afraid putting out crazy new ideas like their humanoid robot, because this will attract the right people that think this is so exciting and want to be a part of that. Man, if I had the brains, I would love to go work for Tesla's AI team, because they are about to shape our future. I would love to be part of that and to be part of history. That is why the top engineers want to go work for SpaceX. They love the idea of being part of history, being part of something special.
Former NASA astronaut Garrett Reisman spent 3 months aboard the space station and flew on one of the final shuttle missions. He was brought in to help oversee the company's manned space work.
You know, I'm curious, you have so much background in engineering. You could have easily gotten a job at Boeing or at Lockheed, but you came here.
If you had a chance to go back in time and work with Howard Hughes when he was creating TWA, if you had a chance to be there at that moment when it was the dawn of a brand new era, wouldn't you want to do that? I mean, that's why I'm here.
And that's why most of the engineers we met are here. Building spaceships is the chance of a lifetime.
People have been laughing at Tesla for the last decade because they always come out with these crazy claims about what they want to do. But this is why they today have the best engineers working for them, because really smart engineers want to work on some crazy project that could change the world. And this is why Tesla can solve pretty much anything today. And why I think this little meme is so funny, because it's kind of true. Today, the brains at Tesla, and combined with the brains of SpaceX, there is pretty much nothing Elon's companies cannot design and make it come true. Like the crazy Cybertruck with stainless steel that they can do because they work together with people from SpaceX that knows a lot about stainless steel. They also help Tesla with the Octoval and so on. And because Tesla has attracted some of the brightest minds in the AI industry to come work on their full self-driving neural network, well, they are already one of the leading AI teams on the planet today. But with this big move from Tesla with the AI Day, Tesla threw the smartest AI and robotics engineers an irresistible curveball they have to swing at this great chance of being part of history. So Tesla will once again suck all the brain power in the world because they have the balls to show what they are thinking of building down the road. And they already have one of the leading AI teams in the world, but after AI Day, I think they will become the absolute leader in robotics and AI. Because Tesla is not just building software like Google or robots like Boston Dynamics, they will be building both and combine these two worlds, making robots that actually have the brain power to become a humanoid robot. So do you think the engineers want to go for Boston Dynamics or want to go work for Tesla? My bet is Tesla. And when we look at the opportunity in this for Tesla, well, that is actually the crazy part, not the robot. Because if we look at someone like ARK Invest, they think that the full self-driving industry is going to be worth about $11 to $12 trillion. And I don't think anyone will be close to Tesla. I think Tesla will have this industry pretty much for itself for at least half a decade. And as Elon said, full self-driving will be the single most valuable thing ever created by humans. And Tesla will almost have a monopoly on that. And when we look at Ford's Blue Cruise and so on, there's just no doubt that the old legacy automakers will not get to level 5 this decade. So if they want to be a part of this trillion-dollar business, they will have to swallow their pride and buy the software and full self-driving computers from Tesla. But this is just the beginning of a huge opportunity that lies before Tesla, because ARK Invest also think that AI business is worth a whopping $30 trillion, and Tesla is setting themselves up to become the leader in this race as well, because they are already one of the leaders in AI and are about to solve a real big piece of real-world AI with their full self-driving neural network and solve AI vision. But now they will get even more brains to come work for them. And if there's something Tesla has shown, it is the ability to move fast. And this is why I think Tesla will become a leader in this field. Like Sandy Munro said, there is Tesla speed. Like when he proposed some changes to the Model 3, well, 3 months later, Tesla implemented 13 changes to their car. Like Sandy said, this is something that usually takes 5 years to get from idea to new design in a car. But not with Tesla.
Look at, again, Tesla. It's hard for me to get away from them because they are leading the parade. These are the things that really and truly can make a significant difference to the cost associated with running your EV. We're looking at nothing short of advancement after advancement after advancement. Nobody I've ever heard of could make 13 changes in less than 3 months. This is like staggering. How do they do that? I think they do it because their heritage is not looking at model years, and they don't care about, they don't seem to care about pride and stuff like that. If there's something new or good or right, they want to make that difference. So if you think that's good, how about this? This is an even bolder investment. They're now going to do the whole rear end in one piece, and they're also going to make the front in one piece. So the front of dash and the rear is going to be one gigantic casting each. So 2 gigantic castings, probably surrounded by sheet metal. Who does that kind of stuff? Those are the kind of innovations that basically will leave everyone else totally in the dust.
They did not really know much about making cars just 10 years ago, but today Tesla use more advanced technology than any other car manufacturer, like Tesla's big casting machine, their fully integrated workflow, their streamlined new factories, and they are about to turn on 2 new factories that will be able to produce more cars than any other plant in the world when fully built out and ramped up. Tesla has even made a whole new battery that not even the battery manufacturer can copy when it comes to production volume. Tesla is moving so fast that no one else can really keep up, no matter what we are talking about. This is the culture at Tesla. Be innovative or leave. If you have a good idea, let's hear it. It does not matter if you are an engineer, a team leader, or just a cleaning lady. Your voice will be heard if you have something clever to say. And because of this Tesla speed, and because of Tesla sucking in all the best talent in the world, I think people once again underestimate both what Tesla is capable of doing and how fast they will be able to do it. And AI has become the new black. It is already today in so many places. In the healthcare sector, AI is playing a vital role in empowering the machines to diagnose, analyze, and predict the various types of diseases, monitor the patient's health condition, and help scientists to explore new drug discovery and much more. Cogito is an AI that measures how well a conversation is going while it is happening and then provides real-time AI-driven coaching to phone professionals. And we have chatbots, we have Google Assist and YouTube AI that guesses what you would like to see next after watching this video. So just as we have the Internet of Things, we will have AI of things. And this is why ARK Invest thinks that this could be a $30 trillion business. And Tesla will be leading the way here as well. With the most powerful AI training computer in the world, the best AI team in the world, it is not only about the end game, the humanoid robot. There are so many opportunities with AI, it is hard to even imagine how all of this will play out. But with Tesla having the best AI team and the Tesla speed, I think they could become as dominating in AI as they are in EVs. Helping out others with their AI, training it to become better with their Tesla Dojo computer. And of course, Tesla will also bring some crazy AI into the world as well. And on top of this, Tesla will become a big player in robotics, another billion-dollar industry they are opening up. Yes, many are laughing at the thought of a humanoid robot, but to me it's only a question of when, not if we will create them. And Tesla has a tendency to speed things up. So I think Tesla's AI Day was a brilliant move from Tesla, because the people who actually got it, they don't want to go work for Volkswagen to help them fix their faulty software. No. They will want to go and work for Tesla and be part of history, making Tesla one of the biggest players in AI and robotics. Yeah, just a car company, right? And thank you for watching. And until next time, take care out there and be nice.